And now we are at the Heavenly Village to catch a gondola up to the top of the mountain.
This feels like a new beginning. We both know what we want. Let's just keep it simple. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. So won't you let me trip with you? Leading down follow. Leave us till tomorrow. So won't you let me trip with you?
Alrighty, so we've had some challenges with the tickets. So the three of us are paired in this gondola. Hope to see everybody up top. So we are at the top of Tahoe, or Heavenly, or Tahoe at Heavenly, or Heavenly at Tahoe. But it is so nice. Even the temperatures up here are so nice. There are still snow or ice at the top of the mountains, and they are offering tubing for the kids or adults. But right now it is sold out. Sold out since around 1 p.m. And so only half of the kids will be going tubing.
Keep yourself thinking. Tonight, like a Wednesday dreaming. I was feeling down low. You just brought me straight up. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh, we're higher than the ceiling. I feel everything is spinning. I was feeling down low. You just brought me straight up. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. So won't you let me trip with you?
Reminds me of our old snowboarding days. Woohoo! I did not realize that this was part of the observation deck ticket. Yeah, it's like it's the third phase of the ticket. Woo! Kind of breezy, but it's so much fun.
So won't you let me trip with you? Leading down follow. Leave us till tomorrow. So won't you let me? So won't you let me? So won't you let me? So won't you let me?
Ooh, that was so much fun. Very relaxing. The ride on the way down, much more fun. Home now, and it's around 6:30 p.m. already. So we are trying to quickly prepare our dinner because we skipped lunch altogether and everybody is starving. And all the places that we went except for Heavenly, if you do want to take your fur baby to Heavenly, you can, but you cannot take them on the gondola ride. That's why we were so we had to leave them behind today. But anywhere else around Tahoe, very pet friendly. So you can definitely bring him along. Even within the lake, you can take your fur baby to go swimming. All right, so we just had a great dinner for our last night here in Lake Tahoe, North Star. I was basically starving that I actually ate half a cup of ice cream, a slice of pie, fruits, a whole hamburger, and one taco. Can you believe it? I can't believe it. I hope I don't get a stomach ache. Anyways, I hope that you guys enjoyed our family activities here in North Lake Tahoe and that you have some idea of what family-oriented activities you can have here in Lake Tahoe. We're actually not quite done yet. We do go back home tomorrow, but I believe we still have some activities planned, although our plans are very last minute and ever-changing, so I actually don't even know what those activities are. But they do turn out to be great fun and great bonding experiences for everybody. All right, so I think this is a good place and time to end this vlog. So from my mind side to yours, definitely more to come. Thanks for watching.